Good afternoon, this is Mike with Innovative Garage Door, and we're going to show you something that we have done here. It's an all-time first for us. We've converted a, what was it? A Whitting spring to a Thanxx spring and used Fleet Craft sections. I think they're Whitting sections though, but we got the Whitting lock on there. We got all the panels in. We put a nice top seal on because these folks have done business with us before. And this thing goes up like a dream, okay? I'm going to push this up a little bit so you can see here. Maybe you can or maybe you can't. There's the drum with the bearing plate and spacer on. There's the center bearing we attached with some self-drilling screws. We put the nice big spring on there. I'm going to get my hand out of the way. There it is. Nice and high cycle spring there, and then here's the other drum with the bearing plate on there. It's got all new hardware, all new nylon rollers, all new hinges. You can see the pencil line. We pencil lined it all the way down the middle, okay, and oiled it up. Is this your tape measure? Yeah, we just found our tape measure. We want to keep that because the next thing you know, we go to a service call with no tape measure and we need a tape measurer. These guys, like I said, have done business with us before. This door glides. We'll put that baby down there. And there we go. So, if we don't have the Thanxx Whitting spring, we'll convert it to make it work. And that's what we do here. Innovative Garage Door, all your truck trailer door repair needs, all of them. Period. End of the story. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching our video as well. Thank you for all our subscribers. Smash that like button. Smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.